So leaving Baku today, heading out into the unknown Azerbaijan. It's exciting, new country, see what's out there. This has not been a good start to life on the road in Azerbaijan. 3 punctures in less than an hour. That's 2 brand new inner tubes that I just bought yesterday, both with a hole in them. And I'm out of inner tubes now, so I'm sitting here trying to find the holes on these inner tubes in a muddy puddle at the side of the road. And get them patched up so I can get back on the road. Sun's starting to set now. Oh, and it's still, well, it's so windy up here among these mountains, so I'm going to try and find some place a little bit sheltered out of the wind before setting up camp for tonight. Up here might look like a decent spot. I'll go check it out. I think I'll just set up camp here, just at this little bridge under the road. Not ideal, not very peaceful or beautiful, but it's sheltered from the wind, and there doesn't seem to be anywhere else around here. So we'll do that, and then hopefully it'll be a bit better weather tomorrow, a little bit less windy. Just had a nice quick breakfast this morning. Instead of cooking up my porridge, I just had some yogurt, some muesli, and some fruit and nuts, and then I can get back on the road nice and quickly. Been quite nice to ride through like woods and forests and stuff, with all the autumn colours and that, because it's been so long. Like Central Asia, there's this desert and steppe, like there's no trees, so I forgot what trees look like, man. It's yeah, it's quite nice. Azerbaijan loves a giant flagpole. They have them in all of their towns. So that's me just approaching the border, Azerbaijan and Georgia. Had a really good last couple of days in Azerbaijan. I get made up for a really tough start with a lot of headwinds, a lot of climbing. The last couple of days have been a lot easier. Weather's been better. The terrain's been a little bit more forgiving. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good, but I'm still looking forward to getting into Georgia. So exactly 10 minutes later, and I'm in Georgia. I think that's probably the easiest border crossing I've had yet. It was so simple. No, they didn't even ask any questions, didn't check any bags. Just stamp my passport, on you go. So we're in Georgia. Big, massive St. George's Cross flying as I crossed the border. I thought I was already back in England, but no, still another 7,000 kilometers before I get there. So this village that I'm planning on staying in tonight is right up the top of this hill. So I just gotta get there first. This is the perfect reward for all that climbing I've done to get here. That is incredible. I already love Georgia.